We over here today, we're going to be doing a little work on the 2022 Grizzly XTR 700. Going to be putting us a good old HMF exhaust on here. Getting rid of this little quiet stock exhaust we got hidden right here. Going to put us a good HMF exhaust. And we also got some foot pegs we're going to be changing out. The stock ones really aren't that good. We're going to be throwing on some Can-Am aluminum foot pegs. Should be good to go.
Hello.
There's Pat with the good stuff. There he is, HMF. Getting the good stuff. So we're gonna hook it up with the HMF optimizer and the K&N air filter. All right, we almost forgot the most important thing to start up. So we're gonna go ahead and crank this puppy up and see what stock sounds like. All right, we got the old exhaust off. That's the new exhaust. Time to put that puppy together. Get it done. Okay, we're back. Got everything buttoned up. We're about to do the first start. This is the new HMF exhaust. Slip on. And we got the HMF fuel optimizer plugged in right there. All right, Pat, go ahead and give it a start.